Hey, this is MJ, call sign KW3KW with Ham Radio Made Simple. Today is the last video I will produce, and really not much of a video. It's more of a goodbye and thank you. As my neuro condition continues to deteriorate and hard for me to think, concentrate, and even speaking at times, especially as the day goes on, it gets worse. And I tried as best I could, and now I've come to the realization that I can't do the videos any longer. I wish I could, but the ride is over. I just want to say thank you to all of you who have posted comments encouraging me, helping me, and supporting the channel. I'm going to try to leave the channel up as long as possible and still respond to handouts requests as long as I can. But what I really need to say is thank you, goodbye, and this is MJ KW3KW saying out for the final time.